I want to explain tuning tools. It's very simple. It gives a color for brighten part of image and another color for darker part of image. And then you can give a balance between them. First, in a shadow, we bring the amount of this power of this tool 100% first, and then we have two modes here, shadows and highlights. It's very simple. For a shadow, I give a saturation 100% again to better understand it. It means it gives a red or any color that you choose in a hue to darker area. So shadows is a darker area. 100% of this tool with 100% of full saturation of red given to the shadows. For highlight, again, 100% of saturation, give it to the, for example, green area to the bright part of image. So we give a shadow red, we give the highlight green, and then we can balance between them. If you go here, it's completely going to the red. If you come here, it's completely going to the green. So this is a balance between the shadows and the highlight of the image. I explain it in this way because you can understand it. What is this here? And here you can choose amount of that. Now, as you can see, our darker area a little bit red, and the brighter area it's green. And with this amount, you can control this amount, or you can give more satur or not with the highlight or shadow. That's it. So the tuning give any color that you choose in hue with a different saturation to the shadows or to the highlight. With the balance, you can go to the shadow area, give the most color in the shadow or in the highlight. It's balanced between the shadow and the highlight color. It's if you go in here, it's going to the highlight area. If you coming in this way, it's going to the shadow area. This is unbalanced. With double click, you can see the different that you tuning here. This is a tuning tool. It's very easy. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.